Hello and welcome to the demonstration of our project vUPS. The project vUPS it was conducted under the supervision of our advisor Dr. Song-Sin Chen, and in this presentation we are going to show you how you can get a unified view of multiple devices that belongs to a single user. So these days people have multiple devices. They have smartphones, they have a home computer, office computer, and to synchronize these devices there are many cloud-based solutions for it. We have Dropbox, we have Google Drive, and what this cloud-based solution do is that all the devices has to connect to this cloud-based server, a single server, and that single server synchronizes between the device and coordinates between them. And more than that, the people have to trust these cloud service providers with the data, and so that there might be some security breaches with this personal data, and people may not want to share their personal data with these cloud service providers. So in this project we have bypassed the central server, and we have built up a P2P based file system, shared file system, to give a unified view of all the devices that belongs to a single user. So in this demonstration we are going to use Unix desktop, which will act as the main terminal, which will coordinate between the other devices. We have a smartphone, Android Google Nexus 1 with 1 GHz CPU and 512 GB of RAM. We have a Windows laptop, and we have a Mac top laptop. So in the second portion of our demonstration we are going to show you how we can use our vUPS file system. So here it goes. Here is our vUPS main page. Here is a choose device, where you can choose the devices that you have plugged into your vUPS namespace. And here in the left panel you can see the cloud server, and right now we are using the Hadoop distributed file systems to act as a cloud server. Actually this cloud server is in addition to those devices, so that you can drag and drop any files or folder here, and you can get access to these folders from anywhere. Remember that for the files which you are dragging and dropping here is uploaded to a central server. It is just like a Dropbox drive or Google Drive. But these devices, where whatever data you store in these devices, you don't have to share with others, with any cloud service providers, even us. Okay. So at first we are selecting the Mac device, and this is the Mac device. First we can browse it, we can go back. To give an example, we can go to the desktop, and there is a movie file that we can get a preview here. It is just a courtesy of the W3 schools, which provides us with this beautiful videos. And we can also browse other devices, for example Windows, the CD and E drive that you can see, and we can and we are going to the desktop. Okay. We are looking for an image file. Oops, sorry about that. Oh, where is it? Pictures, and then pictures. And you can take a look at the preview of the pictures as well. These are the two APIs that we are currently providing right now. And you can also copy files in between the files. For example, suppose we are trying to copy this image, yes, and pasting it on the desktop of this particular device. And to make sure there is no angry chicken here right now, but we are pasting it here, and you can see here goes the angry chicken. Oops, yes, and here is angry chicken that is pasted on our desktop. It works nice enough smoothly. So we can also delete something from from any of the devices. For example, again we are using the Unix, and we are deleting this particular file. It's gone, and this file is no longer here. And we can copy in between the devices. For example, we can choose some file, maybe the same Angry Chicken from the Windows, and we are trying to copy it on the Mac device, on the desktop of the Mac device, and it should be there. Yes, it is. Here it goes. Okay, it works fine. And we can also download files from other devices as well. Suppose we want to we want to download something from that file. So if you just click it, it is downloaded, and it will be downloaded on the download folder, right? Okay, so places, downloads. Here it goes, the a.txt, and you can. It has nothing apparently here. And you can also create your files and folders here as well. For example, in the desktop, we are creating something, some vUPS demo folder. Here it goes. It comes here. And we can also select that folder and create a file. For example, we are creating a vUPS text file here. Here it goes. Let us check our luck. Yes, it's working. So it works fine. And apologize for the disturbed demo of the file downloading from other sites. And we can just click the Angry Chicken. It is being downloading. And let us check where it comes. Here it comes. Okay, so once again we are deleting it. It's no longer here, but if we click it once again, you can see that it's coming. It has come. Okay, the nice Angry Chicken. It looks angry. So we can also browse the mobile phone as well, the Android device that we have mentioned. Here is the Android phone. There's the SD card, and there's the camera. Oops, it is not working, but the image might be disturbed or something like that. Anyway, so pretty much that's it. That is the demo with our vUPS file system. Hope if you have enjoyed it, and please feel free to give your feedback of this demo in the YouTube post. And actually the main idea behind the vUPS is that it's a peer-to-peer based file system, and you don't have to upload anything to the Dropbox or something like that to share your data from anywhere else. And later we will try to give a follow-up and give our first product to make it public and free for all users. Thank you.